Okay, welcome to our second lesson of vertical chords. With vertical chords, you are normally given shapes on the left with letters that are chords for them. Okay, so basically, BT stands for this. Pentagon that has got black coloring inside. CS stands for the circle that's blank inside. PR stands for the triangle that's colored black inside. What they now want you to do is to find what chord stands for this circle that's black inside. Okay. Right. So the first you need to look for the common letters in two of them at least. I can see there is B there, and I can also see there is B there. Now, which means there's something common between this pentagon there and that triangle. And the only thing I can see straight away is that they are black, basically. They are colored black. So that means that this circle here has to have a B in it because it's colored black as well. And that's the first letter in front. So that's going to be B. Now, then you look at the second letters. I've got T, S, and R, and they're all different, which means straight away that is to do with the shape. This is a pentagon, that's a circle, that's a triangle. So this being a circle will have S in it. Okay, so that's going to be B, S. That's how to do that. So that's going to be question D. Okay, I would like you to pause the video quickly and try question 5. Pause the video, try question 5. Right, so hope you've tried that. Now, this one has got 3 letters here. Again, the first thing you need to do, look for the most common letter. This one has got N there, and likewise, this one has got N. It means that for this shape and that shape, look for what is most common. Straight away, I can see black circles here. So the black dots, this ones I can see them. Okay, there are 2 black dots there, and that's got 2 black dots. However, this one is different. It's got one dotted, one black one and one blank one. So one black and one white, which means that the letter in the middle is to do with the dots you're having. So this one has got black dots or black circles if you want. Now these are the shape likewise. I've got the 2 black ones. If you have 2 black ones, that means you have N in the middle as a letter in the middle, okay? Because you got 2 black circles inside. Okay, the other thing now is to look for another letter which is common. I can see there's Y here. You can look at this Y here and look at that Y there. Okay, so there's something common between this shape and that shape as well. Something common. I can see that this has got black dots, black circles. It's got one black, one white, so it's not doing that. I can see this one has got a line going across, but this one has got a jagged one, like zigzag one here. But this has got continuous one that is straightforward, that is straight horizontally. So it's not doing that. But if I count the rectangles, I can see there's 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5 rectangles. And this one has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rectangles. So that is to do with the rectangle then. So this letter at the end is to do with the number of rectangles you have. So this X has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rectangles. That's why it's different. This one has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means that at the end, it's going to have X. X means it's got 5 rectangles lined up like that. Okay? Now let's look at the letter in front here. I've got F there and I've got F there. Now with these shapes here and that shape there, you can see that another thing common is that this one's got jagged lines and this one got jagged ones as well. Okay, these zigzag lines there. So F is doing that. The G will mean that you have got a horizontal line. So this one here doesn't have jagged lines, it doesn't have F and doesn't have F. It has G because it's got a continuous horizontal line. So that's going to be G then. And the answer to that is basically going to be E. Okay. So the answer to that is E. And those are basically the explanations that are there. Right, so pause the video again and try question 6 and 7. I'm just going to go over question 6 and 7. Then I'm going to give you question 8 and 9 to try yourself, and I won't help you with that. Okay, so try question 6. Pause the video, try question 6. Right, so I hope you try that. What we're going to do now is to, first of all, again, look at what's common straight away. I can see that this shape here has got, curved brackets. See these 2 lines have got curved brackets there. And this one has also got these curved brackets here. So that and that. So that's the most common there between these 2. So I'm going to look for a letter that is the same. There's GL there and there's HL. So this L here, I can straight away say that this L stands for the type of bracket you're having. And if you have L, it means you have a normal curved bracket. If you have L, you got a normal curved bracket. Which means that P means you got square brackets, this one's here. And X means you got kind of hexagon. So hexagonal brackets here. Okay, so that is what that means. So I'm going to look for the brackets that are here. I can see they've got hexagon, and hexagons means X as the second letter. Okay, it's got hexagonal brackets there, which means it's going to be X. Now, then I'm going to look at the front letters. I've got G, I've got J, I've got K, and I've got H. They're all different. And what I can see different here is basically the shapes now, right? How many partitions you have inside. So this shape has been divided into 3 parts. We've got 1, 2, 3. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one, 1, 2. And this one's got 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're all different. So this one has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to look for the one that has got 6 here, which is this one here. And that's going to be J then. So J means you got 6 parts inside. So that's going to be the letter in front. Okay. Now, looking at this one, again, look for the most common letter. I've got U there and I've got U there. And I'm going to compare this to, I see what's common. I can see there are black circles. You've got black circle there and I've got black circle there. So which means that if you have U, you got black circles inside. If you have W, then you have 3 black circles. And if you have V, you then got 1 black circle. Okay, so that's to do with that. Now, what does this one has? This one has got only 1 black circle. Okay, it's about black circles here. So this one has got 1 black circle. So definitely that's gonna be V then. Okay, so that's gonna be V. 1 black circle then. Okay. The next thing is that we're gonna look at you know, the cross that is inside. Okay, because that's something different can see. I've got D there, B, A, and C. They're all different, and the only thing different is not the shape of the circle, but it's the shape of the cross there. Okay, look at the orientation. Look at the rotation of this cross. Look at this one, and look at this one, and look at that one. Okay, so this one has got a cross that is basically like a plus sign. Okay, so that's gonna be this one then. So that would then be B. So B means that you got a plus cross, normal cross, which is going to be B there. So that's how to do that. So if you want to quickly mark your answer now. Okay, hope you done well on that. All right, so do question 8, the last one. I won't help you with this, but I'm going to give you the answer after you're done it. So pause the video and try question 8. Okay, hope you've done that. So I'm just going to show you the answer quickly for this. And the answer is basically A is B, which is BS. Right, so that's going to be the end of our lesson then on this particular cards. So well done.